Today I'm going to show you 10 beginner drone moves that you can use to get epic footage no matter your location. Let's jump right in. Hey everyone, today I'm at this beautiful location, Ballintoy Harbour in Northern Ireland, and I'm going to show you 10 beginner drone moves that you can use to get epic footage. Now, even though these drone moves are for beginners, they give professional results. And I'm going to guide you through each move step by step, showing you examples of me flying it and the inputs you need to make on the controller. Then at the end of the video, I'm going to put all 10 moves together into a cinematic sequence with sound effects, color grading and music to see the results. Now, the drone I'm using today is the DJI Mini 2. This is a small, lightweight and relatively affordable drone, but it is a powerhouse that delivers cinematic footage. And in this video, you'll see that it delivers professional results. As always, any gear I've used in this video is linked down below. And without keeping you back any further, let's take a look at move number 1. Orbit. Starting with a super simple move that delivers a stunning result. The orbit is a move in which the drone will fly a circle around the subject or location. This can be achieved two ways, using quick shots or by flying manually. To achieve this shot automatically, first go into quick shots in the drone and choose circle. Then draw a box around your subject, select the direction you want the circle to be in and hit go. The drone will then complete this move for you, and it really couldn't be simpler. For more control, you can fly this move manually. To achieve this, either push left or right on the right joystick and then push the left joystick in the opposite direction. This will cause your drone to start doing an arc around your subject. This move creates a lot of cinematic parallax and is a move that can generally only be achieved with a drone, so why not try it out? Fly up, reveal. This is a great opening move that will reveal your subject or location. Simply start with your drone gimbal facing down. Start to slowly fly your drone forward while also increasing altitude by pressing forward on both sticks. At the same time, slowly tilt your gimbal up towards the horizon using the gimbal wheel. This move might take a little practice as it uses 3 inputs and also minor choreography to make sure your gimbal reaches the horizon when your subject is in shot, but the results are absolutely worth it. Top down twist. You may be familiar with the top down, a firm favourite of any drone flyer. This unique perspective can only be achieved with a drone and offers a viewpoint that not many get to see. To add a unique flair to this move and to set your footage apart from other top-down shots, you simply want to add movement. So fly your drone up high and point your gimbal straight down. Hit record and then slowly start to rotate your drone left or right using the left stick. Make sure your drone is set to cine mode, which is the slowest setting to get the most cinematic results. Top tip. Turn on grid lines and this will help you keep your subject in the center of the shot while rotating. This super simple move always results in professional footage and is a must-do move for every location. Background reveal. To achieve this super cinematic move, you first want to start with your drone low to the ground in front of a subject. Slowly start to fly forward and upwards by pressing forward on both sticks, and as you start to fly over the subject, move the gimbal down to reveal the background. This is a very simple and effective way to showcase your subjects in a landscape. Rise up. This is one of the simplest but most effective moves you can do with a drone. It involves you simply flying straight up. To get the most from this shot, you want to start as low to the ground as possible and then slowly and smoothly fly upwards by pressing the left stick up. Again, using grid lines can help you keep your subject in the center of the shot, and this is a great move to reveal your location as it showcases all the ground elements, and then as you get higher it starts to let the viewer see the surroundings. I find normal mode to be the best for this. It's the perfect speed to create a dynamic shot with cinematic movement, but if you want a longer shot for say an intro sequence to a film for example, then cine mode can be great for this. Drop down tilt. This is another really effective drone move that delivers professional results. To start, fly your drone high in the sky and point your gimbal straight down. In normal mode, start to descend the drone by pressing down on the left stick and at the same time slowly tilt the gimbal towards the horizon with the gimbal wheel. Make sure not to tilt the gimbal too quickly as we want a smooth cinematic move. Time this right and the motion of these two movements gives a unique and epic shot. Fake slider. This move is essentially replicating a conventional camera slider but in the sky, and it can give really great results. To achieve this move, it is really as simple as moving the drone either left or right. Point straight towards a subject or location and fly parallel to it by pushing the right joystick left or right. Sunny mode works best for this move to get a really subtle cinematic motion, and this move works great no matter what you're filming. It looks best if you have elements moving within your shot. This move is so simple to do and is great for showing off large locations. Low and slow. One of the first things we do as a beginner drone flyer is fly as high as possible and get lots of shots from that high perspective. But actually, some of the most dynamic and interesting footage is from flying lower. By flying lower, you can replicate shots that could normally only be achieved with expensive dollies and sliders, and find really interesting perspectives in locations a dolly couldn't be used, like over water. To achieve this move, fly as low to the ground as you're comfortable with, and slowly fly forward by pressing forward on the right stick. The key to this move is keeping the same height from the ground at all times to get a smooth and cinematic shot. Push forward, descend. This move is the opposite of a reveal style shot and brings you close to your subject. Instead of us showcasing a subject and then revealing the location, this move starts by showing the location and then brings you closer to the subject. For this move, you want to push forward on the right stick and pull down on the left. This is a brilliant move that I recommend you try next time you're out flying. Push orbit. This is the most advanced move so far, but still super beginner friendly that gives professional results. Essentially, this move is an orbit while you fly forward through the air. It sounds complicated, but don't worry, it's not. On the controller, push the right joystick left and forward, and on the left joystick, push right. Then keep an eye on your screen and keep your location or subject in frame as the drone does a curve. This move is fantastic because it shows so much of a location in a cinematic way, and all while looking amazing. Okay, so now we've had the drone in the air and we've got all 10 moves. Let's edit them together with sound effects, color grading and music into a cinematic sequence and see the result. So what did you think? Let me know in the comments below. But hopefully this is showing you that using some beginner moves and a lightweight and relatively affordable drone, you can get super cinematic and professional results. Now, if all things drones is what you're into and you want to see more tips, tricks and tutorials, then I've linked a few more videos down below. I recommend you check out my channel where I have a ton of content where you can level up your drone game. And if you find this video useful, please let me know by giving it the big thumbs up, by hitting the like button below. And if you want to see some more drone content now, then I recommend checking out the videos just over there. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.